Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. Now make sure to stick to the end of the problem, where I have 3 bonus problems that are similar to this one, which you guys can try to solve. Alright, so I have x to the power of 4 is equal to 10,000. So I want to find the value of x. So for my solution, first start with x to the power of 4 is equal to 10,000. Now, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 10,000 on both sides. So then these two cancel out, and now I'm going to be left with x to the power of 4 minus 10,000 is equal to 0. Now, x to the power of 4 I can rewrite as x to the power of 2 times 2, because 4 is equal to 2 times 2. And 10,000 I can rewrite as 100 squared. Now this is equal to 0. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So in this case, x to the power of 2 times 2 can write as x to the power of 2 to the power of 2. So I have this minus 100 squared is equal to 0. Now, if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is equal to x squared, and b is equal to 100. So now I have x squared plus 100 times x squared minus 100, and this is equal to 0. So now, this is going to give me two equations. I have x squared plus 100 is equal to 0, and I have x squared minus 100 is equal to 0. Alright, so first off, for x squared plus 100 equals 0, I'm going to first start by subtracting 100 on both sides. So now these two are going to cancel out, and now I'll be left with x squared is equal to negative 100. Now, I want to cancel out this power of 2, so I'm going to take the square root on both sides. So now I have the square root of x squared is equal to the square root of negative 100. Now, the square root of negative 100, well, first off, the square root of x squared, these two simply cancel out. So I'm simply left with x is equal to, now the square root of negative 100, this is the same thing as the square root of 100 times the square root of negative 1. Now, if you guys already didn't know, the square root of negative 1 is equal to the imaginary number I. And the square root of 100, that's equal to positive or negative 10. So I have x is equal to positive or negative 10i. So these are two of my solutions. So now for x squared minus 100 equals 0, I'm going to first start by adding 100 on both sides, so that these two cancel out. Now I'll be left with x squared is equal to 100. Now I'm going to take the square root on both sides. These two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to the square root of 100, which is equal to positive or negative 10. So my four solutions to this problem are x equals 10, x equals negative 10, x equals 10i, and x equals negative 10i. So these are my solutions. Alright, so I have 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 99. So for my solution, first start with 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 99. Now, I'm going to first rewrite 100 here as 99 plus 1, because 100 is equal to 99 plus 1. So I have 2 to the power of 99 plus 1 minus 2 to the power of 99. Now, an important property of exponents is that if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So in this case, I have 2 to the power of 99 plus 1, And I can think of a here as 2, m here as 99, and n here as 1. So this will get me to a to the power of m, so 2 to the power of 99 times a to the power of n. So times 2 to the power of 1. And I have this minus 2 to the power of 99. Alright, so now, from here, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to factor out 2 to the power of 99. So now I have 2 to the power of 99 times, well, 2 to the power of 99 times 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of 99 is simply 2, minus 2 to the power of 99 divided by 2 to the power of 99 is 1. So now I have 2 to the power of 99 times 2 minus 1. Well, 2 minus 1, that's simply equal to 1, so I have 2 to the power of 99 times 1, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 99. So this is my answer. Now, I actually have a second method to solving this problem. So the second method, first start off with 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 99. Now, instead of rewriting 100 as 99 plus 1, I'm going to rewrite 99 as 100 minus 1. So now I have 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 100 minus 1. Now, 100 minus 1, this is the same thing as 100 plus negative 1. And remember, if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So in this case, 100 plus negative 1, that's going to equal 2 to the power of 100 times 2 to the power of negative 1. Now, I can go ahead and factor out 2 to the power of 100. So now I have 2 to the power of 100 times 2 to the power of 100 divided by 2 to the power of 100 is 1, minus 2 to the power of 100 times 2 to the power of negative 1 divided by 2 to the power of 100, simply just 2 to the power of negative 1. Now, this is equal to 2 to the power of 100 times 1 minus 2 to the power of negative 1 is 1/2. And 1 minus 1/2, that's simply equal to 1/2. So I have 2 to the power of 100 times 1/2. Now, if I have something in the form 1 over a, this is the same thing as a to the power of negative 1. So 1 over 2, that's the same thing as 2 to the power of negative 1. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So 2 to the power of 100 times 2 to the power of negative 1, it's going to equal 2 to the power of 100 plus negative 1, which is equal to 2 to the power of 99. So that's another method, but more complicated method of solving this problem. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. And for this problem, I actually have 4 option choices. So for A, I have 27 to the power of 30. For B, I have 9 to the power of 30. For C, I have 27 to the power of 10. And for D, I have 3 to the power of 21. So to first start out, let's go through all these option choices and see if they're right or not. So we first have A, 27 to the power of 30, and how this likely was resulted in was from adding all the bases and adding all the exponents. So we have 9 plus 9 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 27 to the power of 30. And this is actually wrong because this is not the proper way to add exponents. So now going from here, this was likely gotten, 9 to the power of 30, by keeping the base the same and then adding the exponents. And this again is wrong because this is not the right way to add exponents. Now we have 27 to the power of 10, and this was gotten from adding the bases but keeping the exponent the same. And this, again, is wrong as well. That's not how you add exponents. Now, 3 to the power of 21, which is by process of elimination the right answer, we're going to see how they got this. So we first start with 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. And I'm going to factor out 9 to the power of 10. So I get 9 to the power of 10 times 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 9 to the power of 10 times 3. And now this is equal to 3 squared to the power of 10 times 3. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 is going to equal 3 to the power of 20. And I have this times 3 to the power of 1. So I simply just add the exponents. This is equal to 3 to the power of 21. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this to any of your friends or family members.